Do you want to start your own business in 2026 without hiring any employees or setting up any office? In today's video, we are going to share with you 10 unique one-person business ideas that you can start alone. Moreover, these ideas offer structured entry points into self-employment and also give you the opportunity to become a solopreneur. Furthermore, while some of these businesses can be started without a team or office, the capital requirements do vary. There is no business that is free of cost. So watch this video till the end. By the end of the video, you will have a framework for evaluating which of these models fits your local market and your capabilities. But remember, this video is made for educational and informational purposes only. So before making a choice, consider the local demand, the intensity of competition, and your personal skills that are relevant to your environment. So come on, let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Print-on-demand business. First up is a print-on-demand or POD business. You create designs for products like t-shirts or mugs, and you can sell custom products without holding stock. Yes, when a customer orders from your online store, a third-party supplier prints your design and ships it directly to them. Your actionable first step is to pick a niche and create designs, then upload them online. One person can run this business from home. However, it introduces dependency on third-party suppliers and platform competition. Number 2. Mobile phone repair service. Today, mobile phones are ubiquitous, from villages to major metropolitan areas, and consequently issues such as cracked screens or battery malfunctions have become commonplace occurrences. Also, instead of going to large service centers, people prefer quick local repairs. So you can start this even from home, with a little organization and basic tools. Depending on skill level and local demand, a repair technician may serve 5 to 10 customers daily, though building that customer base typically takes months. Number 3. Homemade food service. Today, in big cities and even small towns, many people live away from their families for work. They require daily meals that taste just like home-cooked food. Therefore, as an individual, you can start cooking delicious and healthy food for them right from your own kitchen and distribute it to nearby areas. Although an individual can start and manage this from home, FSSAI registration and compliance with local food safety regulations are mandatory. And retaining customers depends on consistency in quality, price, and delivery reliability. Number 4. Resale business. The next idea is one of the oldest business models, but suitable for anyone with a passion for sales. Yes, it is the resale business. In this line of work, you can purchase goods directly from distributors and sell them to local retailers without having to manufacture anything yourself. For example, you can buy groceries in bulk and then package them into small packages and sell them to retail stores. You earn a profit margin on every sale. This is an excellent option for an individual who can start it right from home. But the startup costs depend on the product category and volume. Bulk purchasing requires working capital. Number 5. Mobile car washing detailing. Now let's come to a service-based business, which is a mobile car wash service. Today, people in many places are facing a greater workload, creating a demand for time-saving and mobile services. So you can provide car wash services at your customers' homes or at a location convenient for them. This business may be excellent for individual entrepreneurs who desire time flexibility and a new business idea. However, providing uniqueness and a consistent schedule in service is extremely important. You will also need a vehicle equipped with the necessary tools and supplies to perform this service. Number 6. Handmade personalized jewelry. A business venture that requires more skill than ever? Yes. It is the creation of handmade customized jewelry. The first step you can take is to visit a craft supply store, purchase raw materials, and create handmade jewelry such as bracelets, earrings, or necklaces right at home. Then you can sell your unique design on Instagram or at local markets. Demand for personalized and handmade items has grown in urban markets, though pricing power depends on brand positioning and craftsmanship quality. Number 7. Drone service business. Drones have revolutionized various sectors through their versatility. So as an individual, you can start a drone service business to provide aerial photography and videography, surveys for the construction and agricultural sectors, etc. However, for you to succeed in this business, you need proper training and a good marketing effort. As the scope of drone technology applications continues to expand nationwide, this stands out as a future-oriented business endeavor, but requires DGCA licensing and ongoing skill development. Number 8. Homemade product business. Currently, local and homemade products are becoming more popular among people than factory products. So you can make products from home, ranging from specialty foods like pickles, snacks, and handmade cakes, all the way to household essentials like soaps and blow dryers. Then you can sell your products locally or through WhatsApp and Instagram. However, some of these businesses will require small machines, and one can start small from a garage or home, targeting local consumers and online markets, and expand slowly. Number 9. E-commerce business. E-commerce is the process of sourcing products from manufacturers, wholesalers, or B2B marketplaces and selling them directly to consumers through online platforms. So you can focus on specific market segments with high demand, such as fashion, electronics, cosmetics, or toys. Compared to direct retail, e-commerce reduces some overhead costs, although it involves site dependency, returned goods, advertising costs, and inventory risk. The success of this business depends on market research and efficient inventory management. Number 10. Freelancing business. Today, content across YouTube, Instagram, and Reels is growing day by day, creating a demand for voiceover artists, content writers, and video editors. So if you have a good voice or know how to write content, or if you have learned basic editing, you can start from the comfort of your own home, right from your laptop. You do not need an office or a team. Having the necessary skills and an internet connection is sufficient. However, content creation demand has grown substantially, though competition for freelance work has also increased. So these are 10 one-person business ideas that are actually working right now. But remember, in 2026, all of these businesses face market-specific risks: rising input costs, increased competition from digital platforms, and regulatory changes. A one-person business also carries personal liability risk and income volatility. Evaluate these factors against your local conditions before committing capital. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.